Good morning, students. Today, again, I am going to start with business finance, and one more topic is there with you. Before starting the chapter, before starting the topic, I am again going to give you the meaning of business finance. Business finance is an important part of the organization, which helps the management to create the different financial activities in a best possible manner. Whenever the word comes business finance, it is generally used to fulfill two types of financial needs. First one is called fixed capital requirement, another one is called working capital requirements. And these two type of requirements are generally fulfilled by the management by using the term business finance. And also we can say, now today's topic is financial institution, and it is very important element to fulfill the fixed capital requirement of the organization. That is why I told you people, business finance is very important term. So today's topic is financial institution. Financial institutions are generally used by the companies to provide long-term financial assistance to the businessmen. Those are willing to start their business in the economy. That is why business finance or financial institutions are very much important. There are different financial institutions are present in the economy. Those are providing the long-term financial support to the businessmen, like HDFC Bank is there. HDFC stands for Housing Development Financial Corporation. IDBI Bank is there. IDBI means Industrial Development Bank of India. And SIDBI, that is called SIDBI. And SIDBI stands for State Industrial Development Bank of India, and many other financial institutions are present in the economy. Those are providing the financial support to the businessmen for fulfilling the fixed capital requirements of the business. That is why financial institutions are very crucial for the companies to get financial support from them. So after that, we have to discuss about the role of financial institutions. As I told you people, financial institutions are performing a wider role, not only for the companies, but also for the customer. Those are willing to get financial support, as well as to open the different type of accounts in the financial institutions. So generally, financial institutions are present in every area of the economy, which directly or indirectly helps the customer also. So the first role of financial institution is provide different type of financial services. As I told you, financial institutions are providing different type of financial services to their customer. Like they provide different type of loans to the customer. They also give the chance to the customers to open different type of accounts over there. The customer can open saving account. The customer can open current account. The customer can open concurrent account. The customer can open demat account also in the financial institutions. That is why I told you people, financial institutions are providing different type of financial services to the customer. And for the businessman point of view, the financial institutions are providing financial assistance to the different organizations. They are also helps the organization to sell out their securities to the general public with the help of demat account. That is why I told you, financial institutions are very much important, and they provide different type of financial assistance not only to the businessman but also to the customer. Those are seeking financial support from the different financial institutions. The another role is provide an attractive rate of return. Provide an attractive rate of return. That's mean nowadays financial institutions are providing higher rate of return to over the investment made by the people. Generally, they are providing 7 to 8% over the FD, fixed deposit, and also they are providing the attractive rate of return over the different type of investment made by the people and made by the companies in the different financial institutions. That is why the financial institutions can easily attract a large number of customers, large number of investors towards the financial institutions. The another role is promote direct investment. Direct investment means the generally financial institutions get the fund from the general public for a long period, for a long tenure, and also they provide the financial support to the businessmen for a long tenure. So they promote the direct investment, in which they directly purchase the securities from the company and sell it to the customer with the help of demat account, and the direct investment is made. So with the help of direct investment, customer also get the chance to earn more, and the companies also get the chance to get financial support very quickly from the people. The another role is form the liquidity of the stock. Form the liquidity of the stock. That's mean financial institutions create the liquidity of the stock, of the securities, whatever available in the financial institutions. As I told you people, financial institutions are not only help the investors to open the different account, but also financial institutions have the work to create the link between investors and the companies, in which they purchase the securities from the companies and sell it to the customer, sell it to the investors with the help of demat account. That is why I told you it provides the liquidity of the stock. Nowadays, different financial institutions are also provide monetary support over the mortgage of gold. So these type of liquidity is also provided by the financial institutions to the general public, and it is very important part. Through that, the companies got the people got the chance to get financial support easily from the financial institutions. So students, it is all about the role of financial institution. As I told you, different financial institutions are present in the economy. Those are helping the people as well as the company to get financial support and helps the people to perform their financial activities in a best possible manner. So so the another topic is types of financial institutions. Types of financial institutions. There are different type of financial institutions are present in the economy. Those are providing the different type of support to their customer, and in which the first one is insurance company. Insurance companies are providing the financial assistance to the people at the time of requirement. If the customer face any type of difficulty and have the insurance, then these insurance company compensate him to solve all type of financial problems faced by that particular person. That is why I told you different type of financial institutions are present in the economy. Those are providing the different type of financial support to their customer. The another one is investment banks. There are different investment banks are present. If we go to the example of insurance company, there are different type of different insurance companies are present, like LIC, Life Insurance Company Corporation, and Reliance is also providing the insurance cover to the people, and also many other companies. Mahindra is also running his activities under the insurance company, and different investment bankers are also present. Those are not only provide the financial support but also provide the platform to the people to invest their money in the different economies, like SIDBI, like SEBI. So different investment bankers are present. The another one is commercial bank. Commercial banks in India, about 80 commercial banks are present. Those are providing the financial assistance and performing the different activities, and they are providing the financial support to the businessman for a short period of time. This is the main difference between financial institutions and the commercial bank, that the commercial bank provide financial assistance for a short period of time, whereas the financial institutions are providing the financial assistance for a long period of time. The another one is internet banks. Nowadays it is very important source, because the people want to perform all the activities with the help of internet banking. So different internet portals are present for the different institutions, financial institutions and commercial banks. Those are willing to perform their activities with the help of internet. And the another one is retail banking. In retail banking, like Bandhan Bank is there, Sahara Bank is there. So they are doing the retail banking and also helps the investors to invest their money in that bank and get more financial support from the economy. So students, it is all about the business finance and financial institutions. You just go through it well. You just go through it well, and if you have any problem, you may ask the queries on my personal number. I'll send you the notes of this topic, and also you should watch this video again and again to get it properly, or if you have any problem, you may ask on my personal number. Okay students, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.